Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use bloom booster fertilizer. First, identify the precise moment your plants transition into their flowering phase. This is typically when you observe the initial formation of flower buds. Starting too early or too late can reduce effectiveness, so timing is crucial. Bloom boosters are designed to provide the specific nutrients, like phosphorus and potassium, that plants need during this critical reproductive stage. Next, let's talk about mixing and application. Always consult the specific product label for precise instructions, as concentrations can vary. A common guideline is to mix about 1 to 2 teaspoons of the concentrated booster into 1 gallon of water. Once thoroughly mixed, apply this solution directly to the soil around the base of your plants, ensuring the roots can absorb the nutrients effectively. Avoid foliar feeding, unless the product specifically recommends it. Now, regarding frequency and monitoring. A general recommendation is to apply the bloom booster solution once every 7 to 10 days throughout the entire flowering period. However, it's vital to observe your plants for any signs of stress, such as yellowing leaves or burnt tips, which could indicate overfertilization. If you notice these symptoms, reduce the frequency or dilute the solution further. Healthy plants respond best to consistent, moderate feeding. Finally, here are some important tips for success. Always ensure your growing medium has the correct pH level, typically between 6.0 and 6.5, for optimal nutrient uptake. Good air circulation and appropriate lighting are also crucial for robust flower development. Remember to periodically flush your plants with plain, pH-balanced water to prevent the buildup of excess salts, which can harm root systems over time. Happy growing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.